Good morning, everybody. Are you ready for our Great Foundations warm up? Okay, you know the deal. Listen to me say the sound, and when baby echo looks at you, repeat it. We need to practice and master these sounds. E, ed, F. I, itch, I. U, up, W, H, w. C, H, ch. T, H, X, A, N, K, bank, ank. I, N, K, pink, ink. ONG, song, ong. Very nice, my friends. And now for our R control sounds. Get ready, pirates. AR, car, R. OR, horn, or. ER, her, IR, bird, UR, burn, Great job. Next, let's review a whole bunch of trick words from this year. Are you ready? Okay, see if you can read them before me. As, has. And if you don't beat me to reading it, say it after me so that you get that practice. To, into, we, he, she, be, me, for, or, you, your, I, they, was, one, said, why, by, and it's not this kind of by, it's like, by the way, or the book is by my, please try. The word is try. Put, very good. Two, like the number two. Too, like I ate too much candy. Very, also. Some, come. Woohoo! Shake out your hands, give yourselves a nice little cheer. You guys worked very hard on those trick words. I was impressed. I think you beat me on a lot of them. So it is time for us to start a word of the day. Check it out. I want you to be thinking of what we learned about syllable types and what kind of syllable our word of the day might be. What do you think? What do you notice? It is a closed syllable because here's our vowel and it's closed in. So the short O says ah. So what's my word? Let's do the blend. Bull, ah, block, block, a block. What else do you notice about the word block? It ends in CK because it's k right after the vowel. And it starts with a blend. Very nice, everybody. Talk to me about block. Can anyone use this word block in a sentence? Oh, it's like a toy you play with. You build your blocks. Good. If we added an S to the end, it'd be more than one block. Blocks. Oh, you could block someone like in football or soccer. Uh-huh. Or someone could be blocking you from parking somewhere. Very nice. So take a look. I'm going to write that word block It starts up in the skyline, goes down to the grass line and around for the B. And how would I mark this word? I'm going to mark the blend. I'm going to mark the digraph. And I'm going to mark the syllable type. So I scoop the syllable. It's one breath, one syllable, and it's closed. So I put that C for closed and my brev over the O to show it's the short O sound. Ah, like octopus. And what should our sentence be? Oh, you're a soccer player and you're saying, I will block you. Okay, so I'm going to start with an uppercase and make sure I have finger spaces. I will, and there's a bonus L there, block you. I will block you, period. Let's do it. I will block you. I will block you. We need to enter this into our vocabulary section for word of the day. So you know what to do. Grab your student notebook. You've done this many times now, most of you. Grab your student notebook, find the vocabulary. Block starts with a B, so we need to find an open letter B, and we do the word on the top part and then the sentence below. I'll hold mine up right here for you. And make sure you mark the word block and scoop your sentence and read it. Pause right here and take your time and get this done. Okay, if you're back, that means you entered that in your notebook. If not, just rewind the video a little bit and get that done. Okay, the more we write the words, our memory remembers them and the sounds that they make. Okay, and we are going to do something a little different. You guys probably have these either in your baggies or already on your boards. You're going to need them. We're going to try building words without any letters today, just with the color of the cards. Okay? So let me show you one and then you can get your board and try it too. Pause here if you need to get your board. Okay, here we go. Watch me do the word cash. So if I'm going to build the word cash, I'm going to tap it out. A, sh, k. Well, that's a consonant, and consonants are yellow. So I would start with that. A. A is a vowel, so it's the salmon pink color. That would go next. Sh, sh is a digraph. So this one would go yellow, salmon, yellow. Are you ready to try one? Okay. Try this word. Thump. Let's tap it. Whoops, I'm backwards. Mm. Okay, let's do it together. Is TH. So what do we need to start with? A yellow card. What letter is that? U. What color is it? Salmon. Vowels are salmon. What letter? M. What color? Yellow. And what comes at the end? There's a blend here. Yeah, it's another consonant sound. So doesn't that look so silly? But then watch, we can always build the real word below it. To check and make sure the colors match. And they do, we did it. Okay, let's put all of our, if you put your letters on your board, let's carefully put them away and try one more. Okay, last one. The word is ask. Try this one on your own. Ask. Check it to mine. How'd you do? Vowel. And it's a short sound because it's closed in, right? It's closed in by the blend. Nothing before, but as long as there's something after the vowel closing it in, it's closed. Nice job. You can put your blank tiles back on your board. They go down on the bottom here. And the last thing that we're going to do today is some dictation. And we'll be doing it in our notebook paper, on our written paper. You should have packet paper like this. If you don't, you can write it on any paper or you can do your whiteboard, but I'd prefer you do paper today. Okay, so take a moment to get your paper. And here we go. I'm going to give you 3 sounds. I want you to write them on the lines, 1, 2, 3, and then I'll hold mine up for you to check. Okay, number 1, repeat after me. Z. Write all the sounds for Z. Z. There's 2 sounds. And anytime I give one, if you need more time to do it, pause it and write it. Number 2, ah. Write the letter that says ah. Number 3, unk. Write the letters that say unk. Okay, when you're done, you can look up and check your sounds. Z and S both say Z. A says ah, and U and K says unk. Pause and fix any mistakes. Let's go down to the next line and do 2 words. Number 1, repeat after me. Flock. Let's tap it. O, ah, k. Spell it and write it. Pause. I'm going on to number 2. Repeat after me. Snap. Tap. S, ah, p. Spell it. Write it. Okay, on flock and snap, I'd like you to mark the blends. Both words have a blend. Please mark the blend. Then I would like you to mark a digraph. You should have a digraph. Did you remember CK at the end? Underline the digraph to mark it. And now let's mark the syllable type. We scoop the syllable, put a C underneath, and put a brev on top because it's a short O. Same with snap. It's closed in, so we put a C and a brev on top of the A. Pause on this screen to get this taken care of. Okay, let's try 2 more words. We'll write them and mark them. Repeat after me. Mint. Tap and write mint. I like to eat mint. Pause until you're done. Number 2, felt. Let's tap it together. Felt. She felt hungry. Pause and write the word felt. Okay, you're back. Let's mark them together. Can you mark the blends of those words? They both have a blend at the end. Did you get all the sounds in the blend? And let's scoop the syllables. This is closed in, so it's a short I. This is closed in, so it's a short I, and we put the C underneath for closed. Pause here to finish spelling those words and marking them. Very nice job. And we will end with a sentence today. Repeat after me. The kids dug in the soft sand. The kids dug in the soft sand. Pause until you finish your sentence, please. Okay, if you're back, check. Did you start with an uppercase and end with a period? Point to each word as I say it. The kids dug in the soft sand. Tap out anything that doesn't look right and check your spelling. And after you've checked it all yourself, Then pause here and check it with mine. Fix anything up and practice reading it. Do your best. See you next